Afternoon, Miss Foster. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do controlled bleeding by applying direct pressure. So first of all, you need to have on your appropriate PPE. In this case, I only need my gloves. If it is excessive bleeding, you would probably need your coat and eye protection. Alright, so here we have Miss Powell. Miss Powell has a bleed on her forearm. With a gloved hand, I will apply direct pressure. I'll hold for 2 to 3 minutes. Bleeding persists, hold again, and I go into applying my gauze directly to the affected area. Now, if one piece of gauze is adequate, I will proceed to bandaging. If bleeding seeps through, instead of removing the gauze, I add another layer. Alright? And then you do your bandage.
Okay. Alright, so question. What if you do the second gauze that you added, right? It's not sufficient for the bleeding, what would you do?
Alright, good question. If that is not sufficient, I can proceed to elevating the extremity above the heart level. And the last resort, if bleeding persists, would be to apply a tourniquet to the affected area. Now this is last resort. I will only verbalize what I will do. I will not apply it because once it is applied, professionals ought to remove it. And that would mean bleeding is very bad in this case for me to apply. So you would adjust the tourniquet to the appropriate size of the person's limb or extremity. Realize that Miss Powell is very small. So you would put it on above the affected area and then do the adjustments and tighten until you see a bulge. When you apply a tourniquet, ensure that the time of application is written on the part for more advanced persons to know. Alright? Thank you very much.